Okay, so we found egg earlier, and I'm trying to find it again.
You're trying to find a what?
An egg again.
Okay, let's go look. I'm gonna follow you. Is it here?
No.
Where did you see it last? I was with you. It's somewhere down that way somewhere. That way over there somewhere.
Yeah.
This way? This way maybe? Come around this way. Maybe it was back that way. That way maybe. Run.
Run.
Where's the egg? Is it a dinosaur egg?
That is because I don't hear it anymore.
Maybe it's inside this pit. Ooh. Maybe the egg hatched and the chicken ran away.
Chicken?
Yeah, it might be a chicken.
It could be a bird.
It could be a dinosaur. What if it's a alligator egg? I remember we was under one of the trees. Where are you going now?
Okay, on the floor.
It might be under this tree, maybe over here. Or that tree.
Here.
Oh, it's there?
Can we keep it?
You want to keep the egg? What if it's a dinosaur? He's going to eat all of us.
This is definitely not a dinosaur.
Let's see the egg. Is that the egg right there?
Yes.
Is this the egg?
Yes.
Wow.
I've never seen a bird egg.
Come on, birdie, wake up. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to pick it up. Oh, my God. No, I can't shake it. You can never shake an egg.
Can we keep it? It's so
What's in the egg? What you think is in the egg?
a bird, definitely.
What kind of bird?
A normal bird.
Okay, can we put him back? Maybe he can hatch. He has to stay warm. Let's put him back over here. Right under this. Right in the back. Straight up, okay? Right there. He's right there. Should we leave him here?
I want to keep him.
Why you want to keep an egg?
Because I want to.
Let's put some flowers so he can stay warm. Some grass on
I
top.
want to see it hatch at least.
No, he has to stay here in the nature. Let's go back now.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, egg. Say bye-bye to the egg.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, egg.